In the AI era, creators don't just work faster, they're working smarter. They're spending less time writing and more time creating. And one of the biggest changes, they're using AI to turn ideas into a full SEO ready blogs in minutes, and let me show you one. Do you see this blog? It was written in under 3 minutes with complete images, headlines, infographics added, and even FAQs added at the bottom of your vlog with a relevant YouTube video. And I did not write a single word myself. I'll show you how I did this using Autoblogging.ai. Once you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. This is where you set exactly how the AI should create your blog. For the article title, I'm going to type how time in the AI era. It is keyword rich for SEO and instantly relevant to productivity focused readers. Next, for the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages, so you can publish in any language your readers prefer. Next, for the article length, I'm choosing medium, enough space to explain strategies clearly without overwhelming the readers. Short is perfect for quick list and summaries. Long is best for deep dive and detailed guides. Here I'm going to pick informative. It is ideal for explaining techniques, methods or trends in detail. But here's what other style do. Listicle turns into a numbered list format for easy scanning. Places is a list of location or events relevant to your topic on that particular place. And service bar landing pages is focused on promoting service or offers. Next, for the tone of voice, I'm going to keep second person because this way it speaks directly to the reader. And first person is more like a personal experience or a story, and third person is more formal and objective coverage. Next, here I'm going to keep it conversational because it is easy to read, friendly. It has a friendly approach basically, and professional is more like a B2B, like a brand voice, and witty adds a humor and a playful tone. Premium style 1 is for SEO structure optimized. It's best for search ranking. Snippet optimizer is structured for quick Google answers. Less AI words is where your blog will sound more human-like, and auto is where AI will decide based on your topic. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article. It improves the keyword targeting for time management and related terms. FAQs will automatically add a question answer section at the end of your blog with questions people are already searching on Google. AI images will add relevant visuals automatically, and infographics will create a simple visual summaries of key points. Next, SERP analysis. Now, Autoblogging scans the top ranking article for your topic. It studies their structure, their shapes, and try to make our article in that similar way to compete. And you can also enable this, and in the source context box you can type how you want your article to be. You can also select the country where you want to rank first. Over here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition gets a proven content structure from top results. YouTube video will add a relevant video directly in the blog. External link will add trusted source for credibility, and key takeaways will add a clear summary of the main points at the end of your blog. Next, AI proofreading. Just enable this and quickly leave a note here. So Autoblogging will automatically check the grammar, spelling and readability before delivering the blog. Next, internal linking. When you enable this and add your domain here, Autoblogging will scan your existing posts and it will automatically link relevant words or phrases in your new blog to older posts, helping readers find related content, improving SEO and building a stronger site structure. Next, human proofreading. It's optional, but if you want a real editor to review the blog for tone, clarity or fact checks, just enable this and quickly leave a note here. For this, you will require a human proofreading credits which you can purchase inside your dashboard anytime. Now head to generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here and click on that. And here's your finished blog with SEO optimized, with headings, images, FAQs added, and infographics and even YouTube video added at the bottom of your blog. And if you want to be quicker next time, here's what you can do. You can go to quick and single mode and enter your title here, and with a fewer clicks you can generate your article. It is just as same as wizard. And if you want 10, 20, or even 100 blogs at once, you can always use a bulk generated option. And yes, you can even auto post that directly to WordPress. With AI, you can spend less time writing and more time doing the creative work you love. Autoblogging.ai makes it possible to go from idea to a publish ready blog in minutes. And if you would rather have someone handle it for you, you can try a done for you blog service where we'll handle all the SEOs and blogs and visuals from start to finish. And if you found this helpful, then hit a like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more AI powered blogging tips.